Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to make free feed for your koi fish, and I will discuss about a free feeding method and the competitive study of various kinds of free feed on koi fish growth performance. So see the total video up to the last part, then you will know the total process to make this. By following this process you can grow free koi feed for your fish. And here I discuss about two kinds of free feed and competitive study with the commercial feed about the growth performance of koi. So let's start the slide. Here free feed for koi. Number one, the feed which is used is duckweed, and second one is spirulina. So here there is a study of these three competitive feed: duckweed, spirulina, and the regular commercial feed. So I will show you the competitive growth performance on different kind of diet and their survival rate on different kind of diets, and their average daily growth rate and the FCR, I mean food conversion ratio of these three different kinds of feeding diet. So here the abstract of that research. So a 31-day experimental study with conducted to assess the growth performance of koi carp fingerlings with average internal body weight of 1.20 gram, and the average length is 2.4 gram. In experiment, three particular diet were designed. Design A, spirulina, contains 67% of crude protein. The second one is azola, I mean duckweed, contains 75% of crude protein, and the third one is commercial feed. This is 86% of crude protein. In total 60 fingerlings were stocked, and at 30 fish per plastic container of 20-liter capacity. 6 experimental group were made, and experimental diet were fed to 3 replicant group in the fingerlings. And on this experiment, here they get the in final result the duckweed is the best feed for their survival rate and also their growth performance and also the growth rate, specific growth rate. Okay, you can see the survival rate. It's 50% for spirulina, 80% for duckweed diet, and the third one for commercial feed is 70% of survival rate. So according to this uh, the 80% is highest. Here see the matrix. For spirulina it's 50%, and for commercial diet it's about 60%, but for the duckweed this is about 80%. So this is good than the other two. So now see the mean length gain. You can see it. The blue one is, and the green line is for the diet C. It's here you see the highest length gain is for azola. So you know this is very good in every competition. So it's the main weight gain. Here you see in the first time this is equal for all the diet, but up to date the average weight gain is highest for diet B, I mean for the azola. And up next I will show you about the FCR, I mean food conversion ratio, you can see it. For spirulina, the food conversion ratio is 0.049, and for diet B, azola, the food conversion ratio is 0.043, and for diet C, the food conversion ratio is 0.044. So according to this three particular metrics, the duckweed is the best supplementary feed for your koi fish. So here is another matrix, I'll show you it. Okay, here the HGR specific growth rate is shown up, and you can see this is lowest for spirulina. Okay, so and this is for commercial feed, this is the second lowest, and for azola this is the highest position, 6 point, more than 6.3. So I think in every matrix the azola is the best alternative. Or here you see the total data in a slide. You can see it by push it. Here the every kind of data about this feeding manual. At the survival rate, the feed conversion ratio, and specific growth rate, percentage weight gain, and mean length gain, mean final length, and mean initial length, percentage weight gain, percentage mean weight gain, and mean final weight, and mean initial weight. Everything is here. You can see it. This just a experiment of 31 day. I think if you want to do it for your fish farm, then you just use 50% of duckweed meal, because this is high protein and this will able to make some problem for your farm. So thanks to watching this video. If you are able to do this, this is good for your farm, and you will get a good profit and better benefit, and this is a good starting of organic farming. If you want to know full details about this topic, you may visit my website www.businessguidebd.com, and to get more video like this, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my video. Thanks.